Today I'm very pleased to inform you that we have taken over the complete TT rolling stock from Torsten Kühn, and can now get off to a great start with our new product range. It's an excellent addition to our TT range. We now have a very extensive assortment of locomotives and wagons and, for the first time, an extensive assortment of tracks as well, which we will be expanding in the future. When it comes to production, it will naturally be a bit of a challenge incorporating the Kühn products into our own product range, and putting them back on the market in the same or better quality for our customers. Of course, we will strive to produce really great products here, just as we do with all our products. It's a bit hard because I've spent 19 years building this product portfolio, but you have to have a plan for succession early on. And for me, it was important for the products of both companies to fit together perfectly. The process of merging the products has been outstanding with ROCO. There is a new catalog, and I really like how the products work together there. ROCO will continue and complete some of the development work I have started, and it will surely be all the rage on the market. I'll continue to provide support as long as it's feasible so that the products will again be available for our customers as soon as possible, and I'm really glad that our collaboration is so positive.